guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, and today I want to show you how to do keyword research. There are millions and trillions of search results. They get searched for every second. I was going to say every few seconds, but no, it's every second. There are trillions of results that get searched for. So if you're wanting to get more organic traffic to your site, your blog, your YouTube video, whatever it is that you're searching for, you got to do the keyword research. So I'm going to walk you through how to do step by step to get your keyword research so you could start to get ranked. All right, let's dive in. All right, so let's dive in. So right here, we're using the keyword house cleaning. So if you see, I already searched for it and it has a search volume of 110,000 a month and the search pool is trillions. All right, so we want our keyword to have a search volume of 100 and 1,000. We also want the search pool to be as small as possible. Google is a large search engine, so getting those search results down just to where it's, 83 million versus trillions is way better opportunity for you. All right, so what you're seeing on this side is a plugin called Keywords Everywhere. So if you just go to Keywords Everywhere, click on Get API Key, it's going to send you an email with your API key and you're going to have to download the extension. Once you download the extension, just click on the little bubble, click on Settings, and once you click on Settings, it's going to take you to this page right here. Put in your API key right here, click Validate, click this little box where it says Highlight Volume, and make sure you type in your search results for 100 with the little alligator facing away from the other alligator, and 1,000. So 100 and 1,000. And again, having this clicked is going to make it to where it highlights everything just like how mine is over here, which is going to make it easier for you when you're thinking of topics. So these are related searches, and these are, this is related and this is, more related, but these are going to be the more popularly searched ones. All right, so if you look up here, so for house cleaning, I could use any of the ones in green for a page topic, for a primary keyword, whether it's a blog, again, a Google ad. You can go ahead and optimize it from one of these. So for this instance, I'm going to use house cleaning services. All right, so that search pool changed to where it's not super high, but if you can do better than that, that's always going to get you better to rank higher. All right, so let's type in a different example. I'm going to try maid services. And if you notice right here too, it's going to automatically kind of show you some keywords that are going to be within your search range. So it makes it a little bit easier as well. All right, so maid services, San Jose, that one was green. Awesome. Okay, so the search results is going down tremendously. So this would be a really good keyword to rank for. So just going through this and finding your keywords, finding some primary keywords and secondary keywords are going to be right here. And it's really super easy to use. Again, that's Keywords Everywhere. I'll include the description down below. But a free tool that you could use is Google AdWords. So if you go to Google AdWords, click on Tools and Settings, click on Keyword Planner, click on Discover New Keywords, and type in your keywords. So for this one, you can type in lots of different ones instead of kind of looking at them separately. Maid services, do house cleaning, and cleaning services. All right, so let's click Get Results. All right, so this one too, again, we want to make sure that we are setting a filter. So come over here and click Add Filter. Once you do this once, it'll automatically pop up here for your recent filters. But to do this just originally for you, click on Average Monthly Searches. Again, 100. It's going to be facing towards the left of you. And you're going to go back to the filter button, click on Average Monthly Searches, and this one is going to be facing towards the right of you. Click on 1,000. All right, so it put our keywords within our 100 to 1,000 search results. Now what you want to do is come over here to competition, click on it once, and it's gonna put it for high competition. Click on it again, and it's gonna automatically start to pull up low competition. All right, so you wanna think of something that has high search volume and low competition. So this one makes it a little bit harder because you really have to kind of dig into it, and it's not very easy topics. But this is definitely another way that you could look at it. So for this one, clean right near me. I mean, maybe if you want to, unfortunately, even if right is spelled right, maybe that's the name of a cleaning company. Who knows? It's being searched for a lot. Maybe they're just spelling it wrong, but you have to type it in the same exact way that they are in order to get ranked for that. So again, this is being searched for 880 times, and it's low competition. All right, so you want to keep scrolling down here. So what I'm looking for again is just a high number on this side and low. So clean scene, let's see, man cleaning. So if you had a cleaning service with men, I mean, that's something that you could rank for. All right, so made to perfection. Let's see. Made to shine. Again, that's a good one. If you want to have a blog on that, or maybe you want to have, you know, your services page or whatnot, you can kind of use these. Also, you could start putting them into your account. So if you wanted to rank for man cleaning, you can go ahead and plan for it in your keywords and create a new ad group. And again, add it to your keywords here. I like to go ahead and just do some research from here. I personally don't use this one, but this one is one to use. I like to use keywords everywhere. And lastly, my other tool is TubeBuddy. So again, this is another cool tool too if you use videos for your blogs. So if I typed in house cleaning, it's going to tell me that that's a poor keyword and that there are 143 million people who search for this. And it's also going to show me other ones that people also search for. So if you're curious on what to get, okay, so say you have house cleaning tips, and maybe that's the name of your blog. So house cleaning tips. All right, so that's going to be a poor search results, but it's also going to give you other ones right here. And it's also going to give you tags right here. And so when we're thinking of tags for YouTube, yes, it is called tags, but when we are dealing with websites and blogs, these are really great additional keywords. And it's showing you these keywords already. So let's go ahead and find one that's going to be a better one. So cleaning tips for cleaning toilets. All right, so just being more descriptive on that right there, it lets me know that this is a great blog title and it's ranking it as good. So I personally love this tool. It's really good, and you can find other additional titles that you can rank for. And also a really cool tip too is to click onto the very top video that pulls up. All right, so you could see right here, if you click on show search rankings. All right, so she's actually not being ranked for any of her tags. So you definitely don't want to use her tags for getting that up. But since you see that there are 935,000 views, and she doesn't even have that many subscribers. She only has 747 subscribers. So this is called views versus velocity. And when they have more views versus subscribers, then that means that this is a good blog topic. So again, that's reiterating that people want to know how to clean toilets. So whether you post videos for every single topic or whether you are just looking for new blog topics, this is a really great way to sit there and find out what is going to help you to get ranked. So even if you want to use this as a keyword and start putting cleaning products for toilets in there and use those as affiliate links, you can make money for how to clean a toilet just off some of the products that are in there already. So it's a great way as well to find out what's working. All right, so since that one didn't have a lot of tags that were being ranked, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the next one. All right, so here are her tags, and then I'm gonna click on show search rankings. All right, so you could see that she's being ranked for 14 times for microfiber cloths. So maybe that's a good product to list into the blog as an affiliate link. All right, and then bathroom cleaning. Maybe that's a good tag. Cleaning, bathroom, these are all good tags to have. And I'm saying tags, but keep in mind that I'm referring to secondary keywords. No matter what you're using, whether you want to have a picture and you want to include your SEO alt tag, you know, as microfiber cloths or clean like a pro, cleaning a toilet, bathroom, you can start to get ranked for these topics. So these are really good tools. Again, I'll link them in the description below, but this is how you want to get keyword research for your topics to get ranked. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I hope you could utilize some of these tools into your business and help you get more leads. I have much more free content just like this coming out, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I come out with a new video every week. Make sure you join our Facebook group where we have Facebook challenges and much more coming. All right, guys, don't forget to check out some of the links below where I'll list all the tools that I used today. See you in the next video. Bye.